Hello students, yesterday I read the lesson Wonderful West. Hope you have read it again and again loudly at home. After that, there are exercises. You come to page number 12. There are exercises made for comprehension. Now the answer of these questions I shall send you on WhatsApp messages in the group formed for your class in all the sections. Okay. Next we come to page number 13. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Given in the box are some of the things that children do after they reach home from school. Choose 5 things that you do when you reach home from school. Write them in order. Children, every day you come to school, you attend your classes, after that you go your home. Now after reaching your home, what are the things that you do? It is given in the box. Whatever you do, it is given already in the box. You have to choose 5 of them and fill in the blanks in the exercise given. Now look at the exercise. First I, then I, next I, after that I, finally I. See, these are the sequence markers. First, then, next, after that, finally. Remember, don't forget to put comma when you are using sequence markers. So you can choose. First of all, I am reading the options given here. Pack school bag, put away school bag, have lunch, read a story book, chat with my mummy about school, sleep for a while, wash up, do the homework, watch TV, go to play, change out of school uniform. Now you can do it yourself. It's very easy, but I can tell you some of the answers. Okay, your answer may be different. First I, what do you do after going back from school? First I, put away school bag. Is correct. You can also say wash up. First I wash up, then I sleep for a while. This is also correct. You can also say then I have lunch. It is also correct. Next I, after lunch, what do you do? I watch TV. You can also say I go to play. You can also fill up. Next I do the homework. That is also correct. After that I, now what do you do? Go to play. Or you can also fill up, chat with my mummy about school. This is also correct. Finally, I watch TV. Or you can also fill up, sleep for a while. So there is multiple correct answer. That depends on in what order you do the work. After that we come to the one more exercise. Come, this exercise very important at page number 15. Exercise 2. Make new words by adding / dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. Look at the root words. Pound, try, large, new, tasty, wise, stare, clean. There is a table, some of the words ed can be added, ing can be added, er can be added, est can be added. There is also cross mark. Now this cross mark means you did not fill up in that box. That box will remain vacant. It also means that in that box er cannot be added or ed cannot be added, ing cannot be added. Okay, make a new word by adding You have to add or you have to drop. Both the things are there. Addition and deletion. You can add, you can also delete a few letters from the root word. Okay, let us try. First word is pound, so you can add ed, pounded, pound, and then ed, pounded. Again ing's column is there. Pounding. Yes, this is also a word in English. Pounded, pound, pounded, pounding. Next there are two cross mark is there. It means er and est cannot be added here. Next word is try, then ed is there. Tried. Remember, try and tried. Look at the spelling. Try, try. When you want to add ed, you need to drop y. Y will be dropped, and then ied. That means y changes into I and then ed. Tried, trying, trying, trying. There are other examples also. buy, buy, buying. Say, saying. Yes, ay, saying. उसी तरह से try, trying. उसके बाद दो फिर क्रॉस दिया हुआ है. टू क्रॉस मार्क इज अगेन गिवन. इट मीन्स er and est will not be added in this root word. Next word is large. Now large is adjective, so you cannot form past tense of large. Cross mark is there. You cannot also add ing, therefore cross is there, but you can add er and est. Large spelling large. What you have to drop? Already e is given in spelling large, so you will write larger. You have to add only r, and in last box you have to add only st, not est, because if you add est then there will be double e, large and again est. So spelling of largest largest. Correct. New, again it is an adjective, so ed and ing cannot be added. We come to the next box. New, newer, newer. New, newer, newer, and last one newest, newest. Next one testy, tested, testing, testier. Last box testiest, tastiest. Final y will be dropped in spelling testy, and then you have to add iest, testiest. Wise. Next word is wise. Again it is an adjective, so you need not add ed or ing. Come to the column er and est. Wise, wiser. Again look at the spelling of wise. Already e is given, so this final e will be dropped, and you have to add er. wiser, wiser, wisest, wisest, wisest. So spelling is correct. Next one stare. एक टक देखना. स्टेयर माने होता है गेज, टू लुक एट समथिंग फिक्सेडली, टू लुक एट समथिंग विदाउट ड्रॉपिंग योर आई. सीधे घूर के देखना. स्टेयर, एक टक देखना. क्या जोड़ना है इसमें? पहले से इसमें ई जोड़ा हुआ है स्टेयर, तो आपको सिर्फ जोड़ना है डी. स्टेयर्ड, स्टेयरिंग. अब देखिए स्टेयरिंग स्पेलिंग में क्या करना है, हमको ई को हटाना पड़ेगा, ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा. पहले से इंस्ट्रक्शन में दिया हुआ आप या तो आपको ऐड करना है तो ड्रॉप करना है, तो यहाँ ड्रॉप कर देंगे STAR, उसके बाद हो जाएगा ING स्टेयरिंग. उसके बाद दो क्रॉस है, आगे नहीं बढ़ना है. लास्ट में ये क्लीन, क्लीन्ड, ED जोड़ देंगे, बिल्कुल सिंपल है. ED जोड़ देंगे, उसके बाद क्लीनिंग ING जोड़ देंगे. और क्लीन आपका वर्ब भी है, एडजेक्टिव भी है, इसीलिए सारे बॉक्सेस खाली हैं. इसका मतलब आपको ED और ING भी जोड़ना है, EREST भी जोड़ना है. तो आएंगे फिर से हम लोग. क्लीन, क्लीन्ड, CLEAN, ED जोड़ेंगे. क्लीनिंग, CLEAN, ING क्लीनिंग. नाउ क्लीनर, CLEANER, क्लीनर. एंड लास्ट बॉक्स इज क्लीनेस्ट, CLEANEST, cleanest. So clean, cleaned, cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. Okay students, thank you. You can ring me directly without any hesitation in case you have any problem, and you have to do this exercise in your notebook, and also you have to learn it. Remember, you will write these words very carefully. There should not be spelling mistakes. You can also, for your convenience, you can draw lines as it is given in the box. Okay, thanks.